Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to install Scarlet Permanent on iOS with no revoke. Launch your preferred web browser on your device. Navigate to the Scarlet website to download the IPA file on the Scarlet app. Locate the download link for the Scarlet IPA file and download it to your device. App link provided in description below. Install the Scarlet app using the IPA file you downloaded. This is the usual installation process. Now download the Troller IPA file from a reliable source. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for this. Use Scarlet to sideload the Troller IPA file. Find the installation button and click install to begin the process. Wait for the installation to complete. Utilize Scarlet or sideloadly to install Troller. You can also use Assign to install Troller. Open Scarlet apps and import the Troller IPA file. Click on plus menu and target the IPA file you downloaded earlier. Begin the installation process by clicking Start Install for Troller in Scarlet. Ensure that the kernel is exploited. After installation, respiring your device, wait for it to turn on, then open the Tips app. Follow the tips provided in the app to install Troll Store successfully. Go back to the Scarlet website. Download Scarlet from the website. This includes advanced features and a visually stunning interface. Click Download to install Scarlet, but select the IP Troll Store menu instead. Click Install to begin the installation process. Swipe to the Apps menu in Troll Store to open the Scarlet app. Now you can use Scarlet without worrying about revokes. I hope this breakdown helps you understand the process better. Let me know if you need further clarification on any step. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.